Hi all, welcome to The Wife of Caesar. As you know, The Wife of Caesar is Streiner's project to talk about corruption or anti-corruption and developments therein in order to fight corruption in our day-to-day lives with a little bit more than just good intentions. Now, today we will talk about the news of Judge Sergio Moro of Brazil. Now, as you might recall, Judge Sergio Moro was a very important figure, was a pivotal figure in the Lava Jato case and in the Odebrecht case, which arose from the Lava Jato investigations. Now, what happened there is we all know about Lava Jato and Odebrecht, and he played a crucial role and essentially, in collaboration with the Special Prosecutor's Office of Brazil, brought to justice all the wrongdoers involved in the Lava Jato case, groundbreaking case. Now, after that, as of 2018, Judge Moro served as an attorney general of sorts, or a similar function to the attorney general. He was a minister of justice, and he was at the level of a ministry right below the president, the federal president of Brazil, and he was charged with the administration of justice. And today, Judge Moro announced that he would resign from that ministry because of meddling by President Jair Bolsonaro. Big surprise. Now, what happened, what transcended, Judge Moro revealed today that he had a pact with President Bolsonaro, and he actually said, he revealed that his agreement with Bolsonaro was that Judge Moro would have carte blanche to manage the ministry as he saw fit in order to, enact justice and fight corruption. So essentially, he would have total freedom of action within his ministry. This is not unheard of in the fight against corruption. This happened before when Dr. Jose Ugaz was designated as ad hoc prosecutor in the Peru case against Montesinos and eventually President or former President Fujimori. We all know how that turned out. And so again, it's not uncommon for these types of very powerful and influential people in the fight against corruption to request freedom of action, carte blanche, white breath of movement. However, even though this was, as revealed by Judge Moro, the agreement with President Jair Bolsonaro, President Bolsonaro decided earlier this week that he would appoint a new director to the federal police, which is not without his rights, but again, it would violate this agreement that he had with Mr. Moro. And Judge Moro revealed that the intentions behind this appointment by President Bolsonaro was to improperly have access to intelligence of the federal police, which is not within his power and would actually be fairly improper. He even compared it. He said, imagine if during the Lava Jato case, former President Dilma Rousseff were to have access to classified intelligence or information. It would be unheard of, and it would certainly be improper. So apparently this was enough to trigger Judge Moro to tender his resignation, and we still have to hear from President Jair Bolsonaro. Definitely, in our opinion, a major blow, a major setback in the fight against corruption in Latin America and specifically in Brazil, and it's a very deplorable situation. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. Again, this was The Wife of Caesar, and please raise your voice. Remember that you have to blow the whistle, and every act of corruption should be denounced. But again, as always, do so safely. If you're not sure whether or not what you're looking at is corruption, or you're not entirely sure that your personal safety is guaranteed, refrain from acting. Don't do anything. Reach out to people who might be able to help you. Feel free to reach out to us at info@streiner.mx, and we will be glad to assist you in any way we can. But above all, please stay safe. Again, this was The Wife of Caesar. My name is Michele Bien, or Michele Bien. Either's fine, and you have a happy Friday.